Are you planning a kitchen makeover in 2025? Then you'll want to know the colors that are taking over the design world. From soft, earthy tones to bold, dramatic shades, these kitchen paint colors are more than just trends. They're a reflection of how we want our homes to feel: warm, natural, and timeless. In this video, we're revealing the top kitchen paint colors that designers can't stop talking about. Whether you love muted elegance or rich character, there's a shade here that will transform your kitchen into a stylish, welcoming space. Let's dive into the kitchen color trends you'll be seeing everywhere in 2025. The first color, warm taupe paint color. Warm taupe is emerging as a top choice for its incredible versatility across various kitchen styles. While technically a neutral, this shade offers much more depth than a standard beige or gray, giving kitchens a grounded, sophisticated look. It pairs effortlessly with organic materials like wood, marble, and stone, elements that are gaining traction due to the growing demand for sustainable and natural interiors. Whether you're going for a modern minimalist vibe or a classic rustic charm, warm taupe provides the perfect backdrop. The second color, earthy green paint color. Inspired by the ongoing biophilic design movement, earthy greens such as olive, sage, and moss are becoming kitchen essentials. These colors promote calmness and harmony, making the kitchen feel like a natural extension of the outdoors. Combined with indoor plants, wooden finishes, and textured accents, earthy green brings a sense of balance and rejuvenation, perfect for creating a peaceful cooking and dining space. The third color, dusty blue paint color. Dusty blue, a subtle mix of blue and gray, offers a clean yet cozy alternative to colder shades. It brings tranquility and refinement to the kitchen without feeling sterile. This shade thrives in kitchens with ample natural light, where its undertones can shift beautifully throughout the day. Ideal for cabinetry or walls, dusty blue offers a serene, understated elegance that appeals to both traditional and contemporary tastes. The fourth color, terracotta paint color. Terracotta is making a strong comeback, celebrated for its warm, earthy vibe and distinctly Mediterranean feel. Its rich clay tones evoke a rustic, handcrafted quality that resonates with both boho and eclectic design lovers. Terracotta brings personality to the kitchen, making it feel welcoming and full of life, an especially great choice for spaces that double as social hubs. The fifth color, chalky white paint color. While white never truly goes out of style, 2025 is all about chalky white, a softer, warmer variation that adds subtle character without losing its crispness. This hue works beautifully in minimal or farmhouse-style kitchens, where the goal is a light and airy ambiance without appearing too stark. It serves as an excellent canvas for layering textures, such as open shelving, ceramic tiles, or reclaimed wood. The sixth color, deep charcoal paint color. For those who desire a bold and sophisticated kitchen, deep charcoal offers the perfect dose of drama. This luxurious dark gray works wonders as a statement cabinetry color or accent wall. When paired with brass hardware or backlit shelving, charcoal delivers a contemporary edge that's sleek yet grounded. It's an ideal choice for those seeking a high-contrast, modern look. The seventh color, Buttery Cream paint color. As nostalgic design trends resurface, Buttery Cream is regaining popularity. This soft, yellow-tinged neutral exudes warmth and comfort, reminiscent of vintage kitchens and cozy interiors from decades past. It's an inviting hue that suits classic and cottage-style spaces, providing a lived-in feel that's both charming and timeless. The eighth color, pale mushroom paint color. Pale mushroom, a subtle blend of gray and beige, Greige, is beloved for its understated luxury. It adds a refined touch to any kitchen. whether you're going for a sleek, modern aesthetic or a transitional style that bridges old and new. This color works well with nearly every other hue on the spectrum and serves as a sophisticated foundation for layering textures and finishes. The ninth color, navy blue paint color. Navy continues to hold its place among the most popular kitchen colors, and for good reason. This deep, rich blue exudes elegance and stability, making it a favorite for cabinetry, islands, and even appliances. It pairs exceptionally well with metallic accents like gold or copper and can lend itself to both coastal and industrial-themed kitchens. Navy is timeless, bold, and endlessly adaptable. The 10th color, muted coral paint color. Muted coral is a charming and understated shade that brings a soft burst of color to the kitchen without overpowering the space. With its delicate peach-pink undertone, it introduces a sense of playfulness and gentle energy, making it ideal for cozy breakfast corners or compact kitchen layouts. This versatile hue adds a hint of vibrancy to interiors that may feel too neutral or subdued, while still maintaining a calm, sophisticated look. So, why are these colors dominating kitchens in 2025? It all comes down to a deeper desire for comfort, connection, and authenticity in our homes. These shades don't just look beautiful, they help create a space that feels warm, personal, and truly livable. If you're feeling inspired, now's the perfect time to explore these trends and find the perfect palette for your own kitchen. Whether you love earthy greens, warm neutrals, or something with a pop of color, there's something here for every style. Which of these colors are you most excited to try in your next kitchen makeover? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest design ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.